Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to put your Canva presentation on loop with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva project. After that, just go over here to the present section and then click here on presenter view. So after that, your presenter view opens up. So just go over here and click here on start autoplay. So after you click here, your presentation will go on a loop, like it will go from this slide to this slide, and it will go again and again and again on a loop. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.